16 countries, 17,000 manpower, 11 businesses. The huge number, human resource, blood pressure नहीं, business partner. हम लोग ब्लड प्रेशर ऊपर नीचे कर देते हैं लोगों का उधर से, ठीक है। उसके बाद एक होता है हमारे पास HR जर्नलिस्ट जो पॉलिसीज बनाता है, राइट। एक हमारे पास होता है ग्रीवेंस हैंडलिंग सेल, ग्रीवेंस हैंडलिंग जो भी हैंडल करता है, which is like a mother to an organization. If you have any question, I'll be more than happy to answer your question. Gentlemen.
Good evening, sir. Ishan Agarwal this side. So I had a question. What are the scope of financial operations in the company?
Highest chartered accountant in the world. 397 chartered accountants we have across the globe. उनके नीचे होते हैं CA interns, उनके नीचे business analyst, जो कि आपका question है, ठीक है। What these business analysts do is they collect data, they give it to CA intern, CA intern gives to CA, they make the financial sheets and on which we guys work for our financial analysis.
Sir, my name is Rajat Singh and I want to ask you a question in relation to Ishan Agarwal's only, but in finance sector. So I want to ask, what is the scope for the finance department? Is it just corporate finance that you are looking for, or are there any other segments that are open, such as financial analyst?
Fantastic, thank you. Yes, we are hardcore finance people. Reason being is, I'll tell you, we are hiring CA, we are hiring CA, we are hiring CMAs, we are hiring CS a lot, because these guys give us business projections. That's what the gentleman said for operations. So when we hire people from the finance background, their job is to take care of our books. We don't do number one, number two, we just do number one. Everything is written, everything is documented, everything is in software. So for that we require people like you. Anybody else from this side? Yeah.
My name is Anirudh.
Anirudh. Okay.
So my question is that it is regarding interviews. So sometimes, like I have done an internship at Sri Cement, which is the cement industry.
From which company?
Sri Cement. Bangla Cement.
Sri Cement. I know.
Yes, sir. So sometimes the interview asks that you are coming from a cement industry. How are you going to accommodate yourself in a different industry? So how should we tackle the question?
Okay, how come different industry? Cement industry coming into what? Jewelry industry?
Yes, sir.
So जब आप दूसरी इंडस्ट्री से हमारी इंडस्ट्री में आते हैं, किसी भी इंडस्ट्री में चेंज करते हैं, KRA majorly remains the same, whether it is finance, whether it is operations, and 2 people from HR. So it's like basic concepts. थोड़ा सा if and but आता है ना KRA KPI वाले मॉडल के अंदर, बेसिक काम के अंदर। उसके लिए हमारे यहाँ internally we have a mentor-mentee program. We call it बढ़िया program, we call it shadowing program, wherein आपको 10 में से 6 चीज़ें आती हैं। 4 चीज़ें आपको मैं सिखाऊंगा, 4 आपको सर सिखाएंगे, 4 आपको विनायक जी सिखाएंगे, एंड ये सिखाएंगे। अब हो गया इजी इस इंडस्ट्री में आना। यस ओके, सो थैंक यू। इट्स अ ज्वेलरी इंडस्ट्री। एनालिटिक्स का थोड़ा कम स्कोप है, आई विल बी ऑनेस्ट विथ यू, बिकॉज हमें एनालिटिक्स कहाँ चाहिए था, किस कंट्री में किस तरह की ज्वेलरी चाहिए, तो उसमें एनालिटिक्स पार्ट आपका काम है। बिकॉज इफ आई लॉन्च इंडियन ज्वेलरी इन हिथ्रो लंडन, they will say, oh my god, it's nice, but it might end up that we might not able to sell any of the jewelry. So when you do an analytic analysis with us and submit the data along with operations person, looking at the finance and the Badhiya program with this gentleman under the supervision of Shri Saket, then how the connecting dots will be there. But yes, limited scope in our industry. I'll be honest with you guys. Anybody else?
Sir, as per what I have perceived, I feel marketing, we have a good scope in KGK, a huge scope, and we can go for better opportunities in marketing segment.
So why is he asking question for sales and marketing? I'll tell you, the scope is pretty high in sales and marketing, because if you guys are hired for Hong Kong, Thailand, Bangkok, China, Russia, Vietnam, Japan, Middle East, Dubai, we have a huge center in Dubai, and then UK, Berlin, and then to my New York office as well. Okay, जब आप लोग exhibitions में जाते हैं, you'll feel so proud when the people come and take your interview, no? Because you are standing in a stall and which is KGK. So you feel so proud. In comparison to 200 stalls, you are the one who is representing that. Even I feel proud. That's the reason, I gave away my NRI status. I left US, came back to India and working with them. That's the only reason. Nobody is asking questions from the back. Am I so boring, guys?
Adarsh Yadav.
What's your name?
Adarsh Yadav.
Adarsh Yadav. Okay.
So my question is, you mentioned you have 11 different businesses.
Yeah.
So for which one you're majorly hiring for? For like a
All positions, all business, all countries. Okay, to answer that question, this is in the interest of everybody sitting out here, okay? First of all, you need to prepare for how to appear for an interview. That is to do must. आपने बुकिश नॉलेज बहुत अच्छे से कर ली, मैंने बहुत अच्छे से महादेवी वर्मा की जीवनी पढ़ी है, ओके? बट लिखने में ना मुझे मात्राओं की बहुत गलती आती है. हिंदी स्पीकिंग अगेन इज़ अ प्रॉब्लम and I'm thinking that I'll be a gold medalist in exam. So you're good at finance, you're good at HR, finance, operations, finance. But कई बार क्या होता है, हम प्रेजेंट करना हमारे लिए दिक्कत होती है, right? You see, whenever anybody who was standing, I was asking you guys to give a name. That itself helped me to get a selection of a candidate. And it will come with experience, ma'am. I think you also agree. सब कुछ आता है लेकिन मुझे ना टेबल पे प्रेजेंट करना नहीं आया इंटरव्यूअर के सामने.